Okay, so welcome to Quick Calculus, and in this video, papakita ko kung paano natin ina-apply yung logarithmic absolute value differentiation natin. Okay? So, we have here y equals 5 minus 3x squared all raised to 7 times 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. No? So, first things first, makikita natin this is a product, and actually, we can just use the product rule. No? Pero, very tedious siya gawin. Okay? So, what can we do is to apply logarithmic absolute value differentiation. Okay? So, let's take the absolute value of both sides and then multiply by ln. Tama? Yun yung first two steps natin. Take absolute value, take the ln, perform manipulation, perform implicit differentiation, and solve for dy dx. No? So, let's do that. So, kunin natin ln y equals ln netong big thing. No? So, 5 minus 3x squared is to 7 times square root ng 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. Okay? And then, sabi, let's perform some manipulation. So, pwede natin ito ngayon i-separate into addition. No? So, this is ln y equals ln ng 5 minus 3x squared raised to 7 plus ln ng 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. Then, gawin natin yung square root, gawin natin raised to 1/2 na lang. Okay? So, now, we can put down yung ating exponents. No? So, this is ln y equals 7 ln 5 minus 3x squared plus 1/2 ln ng 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. Okay? So now, let's perform implicit differentiation. No? So, anong derivative ng ln y? That is 1 over y times dy over dx. Okay, remember that. And then now, derivative ng 7 ln 5 minus 3x squared. So, this is just 7 times 1 over 5 minus 3x squared times derivative ng nasa loob. So, this is negative 6x. Okay? Plus 1/2. Derivative ng ln 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. So, this is 1 over 6x squared plus 8x minus 12 times chain rule. So, this is 12x plus 8. Okay? Then, sabi natin, solve for dy over dx. So, multiply natin both sides by y. No? So, multiply natin both sides by y. And ano yung value natin ng y? Y is equal to 5 minus 3x squared raised to 7 times square root ng 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. No? So, solve natin dy over dx. So, dy over dx is equal to, copy lang natin lahat yan. No? So, this is just 7 times 1 over 5 minus 3x squared times negative 6x plus 1/2 times 1 over 6x squared plus 8x minus 12 times 12x plus 8. Okay? Multiplied by yung original natin na value for y, which is 5 minus 3x squared raised to 7 times square root ng 6x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay? So, this is now yung derivative ng 5 minus 3x squared raised to 7 times square root ng 6x squared plus 8x minus 12. Okay? So, again, what we do is take the ln of both sides, then simplify, perform any manipulation, perform implicit differentiation, and then isolate dy over dx or solve for dy over dx. And that is usually just by multiplying y both sides. Okay? So, tanggalin lang natin yung y. Okay? So, this is an example for implicit differentiation, and see you in the next video.